Itong pupunta namin secret pa. Makikita nyo to sa next vlog natin sa mga susunod na buwan.
Work is almost over, summer's getting closer.
Hi mga Zeus! Wala kami sa maze. Dito kami sa car. Good morning sa inyong lahat. And we are driving early in the morning kasi alam nyo, meron akong shoot. Actually, commercial shoot for Bigo. Yan po yung agency namin, yung work namin ni Andy na online. And hinahanap namin yung studio. Actually, nakita namin studio pero walang parking. Ang mga kasama ko dito ay mostly mga DKSA host ko. Or
who's gonna be?
Si Ikang at saka yung NC Twins. Yay! Ito na kami. Tapos lang ko ni Andy and Nelly Madonna. So ito yung first look natin para sa commercial shoot for Bigo. Siyempre, ganda-gandahan by Jerry and ewan ko sino ba to?
Mama mo. Nipis mo doon.
Si Mark for my hair. JM Gumata. Outfits. Before kami siyempre mag-shoot, habang nag-aantay sa mag-shoot muna kami ng pansarili namin content. Ako na rin ba maghahawak ng reflector?
Kailangan mo dito sa face.
Ayan. Ganito po kami sa set.
Lumalaban sa buhay.
Tapos na ang ating pictorial. Sinundo na ako ni Andy at meron kasi kaming pupuntahan dito. Itong pupuntahan namin secret pa. Makikita nyo to sa next vlog natin sa mga susunod na buwan. So, ayan. Nandito kami somewhere. Driving. Pero bago kami pumunta doon, kakain muna kami dahil hindi pa kumakain si Andy.
Never even knew this existed.
Asan ba kasi tayo?
Diyan talaga matatagpuan yung billboard ng Bigo.
Oo nga eh. Tapos na eh. Hanggang March 3 lang. Hindi ko nga nakita eh.
Oh my God.
Ito na lang, Daddy. Ito na lang sundan mo. Ayan. Alam niyo, for some reason, guys, yung Waze ni Andy, hindi siya dinadaan sa fastest route. As in, sa longest. Palagi yan. So,
on both phones actually.
oo, mag-Google Maps na lang siya sa susunod kapag
That was
sinundo
Google
niya
Maps.
ako. Ah, Google Maps yun?
No, it's still taking me the long way.
Yeah, bakit kaya ganun? Sa akin, 15 minutes away lang. Pabalik na kami ng Hilton. Alam niyo na kung bakit. Kasi, yun na nga, medyo matagal-tagal na ako nawawala. Si Mimi, namimiss niya na kami. Yun, sinabi ko sa inyo kanina, guys, na may pupuntahan kami. And we check yung Jay's Diamond kasi mas kilala talaga sila na pinagkukuhaan ng mga wedding rings, wedding bands. And since kami ni Andy ay magsa-celebrate ng 10th year anniversary ng aming kasal, naisip namin na palitan na rin yung sing-sing namin. And yun na nga, doon kami nagpunta sa Jay's Diamond sa Ayala Mall Bay. Doon yung branch nila. Meron din silang branch sa Cavite. Tsaka saan yung isa?
Cavite and Binondo.
Binondo, ayan. So, ito yung pinakamalapit sa amin.
Manila Bay.
Ayala Manila Bay.
Yeah.
Na napakalaki. My gosh. Kung pupunta kayo, make sure na maikot nyo siya. Maganda yung Ayala Mall. So, ayun na nga, nakapili na kami ni Andy and it will take 45 days to 60 days kasi pinagawa namin siya, syempre, personalized kailangan. Kaya we are so happy and we can't wait to get it very soon. 45 days at least.
We're so excited. And actually the design I got was a very big upgrade from the one that I have already. So I'm excited to wear it because it's a bit of a showstopper. I really like it. And I was surprised because of course when you see them online it's a little bit hard to tell the beauty of a ring until you see it in person. So I'm so glad we actually went to the store.
Oo, kasi kailangan talaga kapag sing-sing, alam mo yun, kailangan susukatin mo. You have to see it yourself. If-feel mo. Tapos, ako naman, yung pinili ko, emerald cut kasi yung aking engagement ring. So, kailangan medyo may shape yung kukunin kong wedding band. So, ang napili ko is, ay, papakita ko na lang sa inyo sa susunod.
Yeah, no, we can't show it yet.
Sa susunod na lang. Sa next vlog. So, thank you again, Jay's Diamond, sa pagbayag na sa inyo kami kumuha ng mga sing-sing. And now, we are off to the Hilton. Nalagaan na si Mimi. And tomorrow, wala akong work, makakapagpahinga. And more time with kids. And mami ko kasi nandyan. Ngayon ko lang din siya nakita after 3 weeks. Tagal, no?
Parang almost 4 weeks.
Since we left Hilton last time.
We're 2 weeks at
yeah.
eruptions. Tapos,
Isang buwan na pala.
2. Kaya medyo parang mabagal yung ano yan.
Yung adjustment na naman ni
Adjustment
Mimi.
ulit.
Pero alam mo, pagising daw, kasi umalis kami guys, tulog pa si Mimi kanina. So pagising daw ni Mimi, umiyak lang saglit. Tapos wala na. Yung cry lang daw na fake. Kaya Mimi, thank you. Ang galing mo mag-fake cry. Pero at least, yan, nakapag-work ako ng maayos. Marami kaming natapos si Daddy. Very productive.
I got a haircut.
Nakapag-gym ka, nakapag-haircut ka pa.
Luckily I got a haircut because we went to Jay's Diamonds earlier.
Yeah.
My hair was horrible this morning. So luckily I got a quick haircutting.
So, ayun lang. I will update you guys kung saan naman kami next pupunta.
Thank you very much, guys, for watching the vlog once again. And we want to give a big shout out to Jay's Diamond at Ayala Malls at Manila Bay. So it's a really nice spot. I'm so excited about getting my ring. Finally, I'm upgrading it, and Diana's very excited as well. We won't show you just yet what design that we did get. We will show it on the day of our big celebration. So we're planning something big, and we're glad that Jay's Diamonds is a part of that journey. And we're really excited for what's to come and how we're going to plan the event. It's not fully planned yet, but we're taking steps towards that, which you'll see over the next couple of weeks. But we won't share too much because we want it to be a surprise, of course. So thank you very much for watching the vlog. We'll see you tomorrow.